Let's be honest. Saving money when you're living paycheck to paycheck in 2025 feels like a cruel joke. Inflation's up, rent is through the roof, groceries are insane, and gas doesn't care that you're trying to budget. So when someone says, just save more, it's easy to roll your eyes. Because if you had extra money, you'd already be saving it, right? But here's the truth. You don't need a high income to save money. You just need a system and a shift in how you think about money. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to save money on a low income, step by step. No fluff, no financial jargon, just real talk that works. Step 1. Start with your mindset. Before we talk numbers, we've got to address how you think about money. If you believe you're too broke to save, you'll never try. That mindset keeps you stuck. Instead, tell yourself this: I may not earn much, but I can still control how I use my money. That shift alone can help you start making better decisions. You're not powerless. You just need a plan. Step 2. Know exactly where your money is going. You can't fix what you don't track. So the first thing to do is pull up your last month of transactions. Write down everything: rent, utilities, groceries, subscriptions, gas, coffee, random Amazon buys. Use a free app like Mint or just a pen and paper. Most people are shocked at how much they spend on small stuff. Even saving $3 a day adds up to over $1,000 a year. You can't cut what you can't see, so start tracking. Step 3. Break down your budget with 50-30-20. Now that you've tracked your spending, try this basic budget formula: 50% for needs, rent, food, bills, transportation, 30% for wants, takeout, streaming, shopping, 20% for savings or debt, emergency fund, extra payments. On a low income, these percentages may look more like 70-20-10, and that's okay. It's not about perfection, it's about direction. Even if you can only save $10 a week, that's progress. Step 4. Pay yourself first. This is a game changer. The moment your paycheck hits, move a small amount, like $10 or $20, into a savings account. Don't wait till the end of the month to save what's left over, because there usually isn't anything left. Set up an automatic transfer so you don't have to think about it. This builds the habit, no matter your income. Step 5. Cut the quiet money leaks. Here's where the real savings happen. Cancel what you don't use. Audit your subscriptions. Are you really using Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Apple TV? Cook more at home. Even switching from takeout to meal prepping 2 nights a week could save you $100 a month. Buy used when possible. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. You don't need brand new everything. Question every purchase. Do I need this? Can I afford it without borrowing? Will this move me closer to my goals? These 3 questions can save you hundreds. Step 6. Build a starter emergency fund. $500 goal. Don't worry about saving 3 to 6 months of expenses yet. That's overwhelming. Instead, aim for $500. That's enough to handle a flat tire, a doctor visit, or a surprise bill, without reaching for a credit card. Keep it in a separate savings account, out of sight, out of mind. You can build this fund slowly, $10 or $20 at a time. Step 7. Use cash or prepaid debit cards for spending. If you tend to overspend, try switching to cash or prepaid cards. Once it's gone, it's gone. This method is powerful for groceries, gas, or entertainment. It forces you to stay within budget without overdrafting or swiping mindlessly. Step 8. Look for ways to boost income, even small ones. You don't have to start a side hustle empire. Just ask, how can I make an extra $50 a month? Some ideas: sell unused items online, babysit on weekends, take paid online surveys, offer a simple service like dog walking, yard work, or tutoring. Try micro-tasks on apps like TaskRabbit or Upwork. Even a small boost in income gives you breathing room to save. Step 9. Take advantage of free resources. The US has more free help than people realize. food banks or community pantries, utility assistance programs, free internet at libraries, health clinics on sliding scales, housing support services. You're not weak for using these. You're smart for using every tool available to improve your situation. Step 10. Stay consistent and celebrate progress. Saving on a low income isn't about speed. It's about consistency. If you save $25 a month, that's $300 a year. 2 years, $600. Add interest, and you've got momentum. Celebrate the wins, paid off a small debt, saved $100, stuck to your budget for 30 days. That's huge. That's how wealth starts. Final words. Saving money on a low income isn't easy, but it's 100% possible with the right mindset, habits, and systems. You don't need to make 6 figures to build security. You just need to manage what you have and commit to growth, even if it's slow. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life money tips.